This is chapter 11, example 3, and what we have here is an AND/OR type circuit, which is the SOP form, and what I want is the 4 AND/OR type equations for this. That means essentially 4 equations generated from the SOP side. Now it could be POS, but it's just this problem simply doesn't ask for it. So we did a problem very similar before. That problem starting point was there was a compact minterm equation. This happens to be starting point of a circuit. Now the issue in this circuit is I the right equation for it. It has 3 inputs. So this is going to be F, A, B, C equals, and I'm just going to read these off, A not B or A C. Okay, so obviously because every term doesn't have every AND term, every product term doesn't have 3 variables in it. It's some type of reduced form. So this is fine as is. All I need to do to this is starting point from this equation, which happens to be my AND/OR equation, which is my first equation. I think I'll rewrite it just to be complete this time. AC, AB, okay. What I need to do is double complement it and start bringing those complements down. So the first complement I'm bring down, A not B, overbar, AC, then overbar, and the whole thing has an overbar. And this is of course my NAND form. That's my second form. Certainly probably the 2 most popular forms out there, but I need to do a couple more iterations on this thing. What I'm going to do is take those overbars on the product terms and bring those down. So this could be A plus B. Let's skip a step. A plus C, and once again skip a step, and that looks good. And that looks like a OR NAND form. Okay, not too popular, but heck, we can do it. Next step is I'm going to bring this other overbar down, and this is going to be A plus B plus A plus C. These have the overbars over them. I got to bring those individual overbars down before I forget and lose them. And so this looks good. This looks like a NOR/OR form, and I'm going to call myself done, because if I bring these this overbar down, I end up with A, B, A not B, which is once again that term right there. And so if I bring these both down, I'll end up back at this AND/OR form. Okay, so once again we started with a circuit form, which was nicely in some type of SOP form, but it turns out it was a reduced SOP form. Not a big deal. We just double complemented it and ran through and got all of our very, very interesting equations from that.